Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how default cleaner works in your MI or any other mobile apps. So just go to your security and the first one, trash size. So just click on the trash size. So now it is calculating the complete memory of how it occupied the cache files and everything. It's near 1 GB, so I'm just clicked on clear all. So now everything is cleared, the cache and the temporary files. So now the phone is faster than compared with the previous. So in this manner you can clear